What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill. And look at this, they're doing a lot of work in this plaza here. They're making it absolutely massive. Haven't been to this Goodwill in a little while, so hopefully we find some cool stuff. This is in Oxford, Connecticut, I believe. So Kristen's here with me. We're gonna be heading in and hopefully, ooh, look at this, spooky. This is a spooky Goodwill. It's actually kind of cool. All right, let's see what we find. All right, here we go, electronics section. It's not looking very packed, but you never know. I might find something here that stands out to me. Now, I think, yeah, this is one of those things that you put underneath a cabinet, I believe. Actually, I'm not 100% sure about this. Doesn't look like it has all the pieces or parts anyways. Now, these Logitech things can be really good. This is an older iPod model, as you can see there, but sometimes these are still worth some decent money. We could look this up. It's only $3, so we'll stick it in the cart, but it might be a little outdated, so who knows? It might not be worth it at all. These are also great. These huge corded phones. It's missing power cord, so we'll just leave that behind. No biggie. Bunch of travel adapters. Those usually aren't worth anything. Here's another. Oh, look at this. This has the new, oh no, that's a micro USB. That's interesting. I've never seen one like that. This is also missing its power cord. So we'll leave those behind. I'm not seeing anything super great. Here's a Netgear AC750 dual band. $10 seems a little high. Don't think this will be worth it. Yeah, it is the correct one in there, so hey, you know what? We will look it up. I doubt it's going to be worth it, but we'll stick it in the cart anyways, and hopefully it's worth something. Man, they're doing a lot of work up on the roof. I'm sure you guys can hear that. All right, let's see what's down this aisle. Here we go. A Sharkpedo. It's $5 from Target. Might be worth it. Oh, look at that soft tip target toss. It's like the knockoff jarts, because jarts are actually illegal to sell online, guys, because they have those steel spikes in them. So I doubt this is worth much, but we'll scan it. We'll also scan this and see if they're worth anything right now. All right, this rank is way too high. It's like over 1 million in toys or outdoor stuff, so it's not worth it. There's no money to be made, so gotta leave them behind, but there's still more stuff to look at. What do we have here? In a Luma wallet. You want to be careful with these as seen on TV things for Amazon, because a lot of them are restricted. They get taken down. You get claims put against you, so we're not going to grab that, but we'll keep looking. Oh, here we go. A little smoke alarm. $5. Has some paint drips on it, but they might come right off. We'll scan this in as well. So this actually only sells for like $6, so definitely not worth it at $5. You'll make $1 after fees, and in this case you would lose $4. So pretty crazy. Let's keep looking. Not really seeing too much here. Hopefully these are worth something. Haven't looked them up yet. Here's a tie-dye book, definitely used, so we won't mess with that. This is all cups and plates, and here's another tie-dye thing. This, I can't tell. We'll leave that. Yeah, I'm not really seeing much, sadly. What is this? It's what you keep like film on. It's kind of cool. We'll leave it. It might be worth something. Might not be worth something. Who knows? Here we go, some Speedo. Oh, those are from Target, $3. We'll still scan it in, see if this is worth anything. Here we go, guys. I actually found something. Look at that. Normally 20, then marked down to 10. It's Emerson. They have it at 3 here. I scanned it in. Sell them for about 30. So that's a definite buy. Let's grab this. Here we go. This is where some good money can be. Look at all, well, those are all stuffed animals, but these are all toys. What I'm looking for is brand new sealed. Oh, Gator Golf. I remember, oh, it is brand new. Oh, nice. I remember Gator Golf. Oh, it's $10. That's why. It's from Target clearance. It's definitely too high price. I'm not going to end up making any money on that, sadly, but I thought I lucked out. So We're just looking for anything sealed, and I'm not seeing a single sealed item, sadly. Now, some of these might be worth it used, but to sit here and count all the pieces, it might not be worth it. Here's something cool. This is Dominoes of the Cardinals, except this is 2006, it looks like. You can see it on his shirt right there. 2006 champions. Probably not worth it. Yeah, that wasn't even on Amazon, so definitely a little old there. Let's see, here's some Lego Create It, but it's open. Good luck. I highly doubt all the pieces are in there, but oh, what do we see? It's a Target clearance. Whenever I see those white stickers, I get a little disappointed. Usually means there's no money to be made, but I'll still scan it. You can see they mark it so people can't scan it, but I'll just wipe that off and we'll see if this is worth anything. Again, another item not on Amazon, so it might be worth it for eBay or something, but I'm not gonna mess with it because shipping would be a pain. It would end up costing me a lot to ship because it weighs over a pound and it's a pretty big size box. So, I mean, if I could sell it for 15 bucks, free shipping, it's definitely not worth it because shipping alone will cost me about 7 to 8. So let's see, here we go. I know Jurassic World things could be worth good money. I see that JW, which means Jurassic World. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Opens his mouth. He's pretty cool. What is he? It should say on the bottom of his foot. I can't really focus in on that, so we're gonna have to check this out. So I just looked this up on eBay. It looks like it's going for about 12 bucks free shipping. They only want $1 for it. It weighs, I don't know, I think that's right around a pound. Once I box it up, it will be. So it's not worth it for me to pick up. If it was going for about 18 to 20, then I would definitely grab it. But 12 bucks is just a little... But can you make
your best T-Rex noise?
You do it.
No.
Come on.
You're really good at it, though.
No, I do Velociraptor noises.
Okay, what about your Velociraptor noise?
I refuse on camera. Here we go. This is the only video game I'm seeing here. They want $20 for it, though, for Guitar Hero 2. That's not horrible, but I doubt it's in great shape. It's one guitar and a controller. I mean, the guitar controller and the game. 20 bucks is a little high. And the color that's half off is green. A different color is half off every week, and you guys can see green, 50%. But that's yellow, so not really worth it. Oh, hello. And I'm not really seeing anything else. Here's the Firm. Is that DVD? Nope, VHS. I think they stopped selling DVDs here. I mean, video games here, because I don't see any besides that one Guitar Hero. So, not finding too much. That was worth it, though. This Logitech thing was definitely worth it. Here's some things. What is that? Oh, that's a big VHS. Caillou! $6.
You love Caillou.
I do love Caillou.
I did not know he was spelled like this.
Caillou. It's silent L's. How do you not know that?
I thought it was...
How do you not know?
Spelled how it sounds.
Nope. All right, we are waiting outside for these Funko Pops. She said she'll be right out, so we have about a minute or so, hopefully, and you guys will see exactly what I end up picking up. It is, I can't even see the time. It's just about 11 o'clock, so we got here just in time. We're gonna grab them and see what they're worth. Paying 25 bucks. All right, so we just left the thrift store. I picked up those two things, but I did end up buying these. I think you guys saw in the very beginning of the video, these Funko Pops. I picked up from a lady for $25, and I just looked them all up on eBay. They go for more on Amazon, obviously, but I decided to go for the lowest prices on eBay to compare. This Dean right here, number 94, I have two of them. They're from Hot Topic. Here they are. And this box has a little dent in it, so I think I'd rather sell them on eBay anyway so people can see that. This box is in much better condition, obviously. There's a little bit of wear. You can see the Amazon sticker on there that she bought it from. And so there's two of them. This one does not have the Amazon sticker. And this guy, lowest price on eBay is $50, so we have $100 right there. This one right here, it's Sam from Supernatural, Hot Topic again. Whenever you see these little exclusive stickers, it usually means that they're going to go for more money. This one and this one don't have those stickers, but they still go for a decent amount. We'll talk about those in a second. But these two Deans right here, 50 a piece. This Sam is about $50 as well. So we're looking at $150 right here. Now, since, oh, there's a little bug on that. Oh, cool, he flew away. Okay, good. Geez, hopefully she didn't have bugs in her car. So these three, 50 bucks a piece. This Sam is about $15, so he's actually one of the cheapest ones in the whole bundle. He's just the basic Sam from Supernatural, but a lot of Supernatural stuff goes for good money, guys. It's the last season right now that they're filming, so a lot of their stuff is going way up in value because people that want to collect this stuff are buying it right now. All right, and then this Louise Belcher from Bob's Burgers is going for about 20 bucks over on eBay, so a pretty solid find. Okay, truck, cars are loud over here, holy cow. And then the last thing is this Supernatural Dorbs, and that's Castiel with his angel wings. Pretty cool. He's actually the cheapest out of the whole bunch. He sells for about $12 to $15, but he is also the smallest. But I think this is heavier. Like, the quality of the Dorbs just seems to be a little heavier than a Funko Pop. So not bad. We're looking at 50, 100, 150, 160, 170, 185, 195 to $200 in sales, and that's just on eBay. If I try and sell some of these on Amazon, like the mint condition boxes, those ones I might be able to get, you know, double my money for. Honestly, they sell for a lot more over on Amazon. I think it's because a lot of people are restricted, so the prices don't come down because there's less people selling them. So that's that. I mean, I'm pretty stoked with it. I think it was a great buy for $25, honestly. The boxes, again, not the best shape, but I just found this looking at Facebook Marketplace last night. Laying in bed, I was just looking at Facebook Marketplace. I found it, I messaged her, set up a pickup for this afternoon, and it worked out beautifully. So, nice find. Love it. So here I am on my drive home, and I just wanted to take this minute to talk to you guys and to thank you for watching the channel, of course. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. I will do my best to answer them. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. But I was really sick for about a week or so, and I've been better for a few days, almost a week now, but it just completely killed my motivation to make YouTube videos, to sit down, to edit them, to do all this stuff, and it was just becoming kind of a pain to really want to sit down in front of the computer. But I'm getting right back into the swing of things, guys. We're going to be getting way more videos put out on YouTube, hopefully more thrifting videos. Let me know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. It will help me immensely come up with more ideas. Again, I just want to say thank you very much.